sage, yung air sage, nanggaling yung pangalan na air. Yung meaning ng air is Lion of God. Tapos yung sage, nakyutan lang ako sa pangalan na sage. Tapos yung naman, yung Blake Hunter, yung Hunter kasi gustong-gusto ko yung pangalan na yon dating-dati pa. Kaya dinagay ko siya sa pangalan ni Blakey.
Stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what can gather. Your fever dream, can't you see getting closer? Just surrender, cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's a picture in the pulpit and your blind devotion. There's something breaking at the brick of every wall, it's holding all that you know. So tell me, do you want
Happy first birthday, Seiji!
Happy 6th birthday, Blake!
Seiji, wish lang ni Mami sa'yo na sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos and maging masayahing bata ka paglaki mo. You know naman na gagawin namin ni Daddy, gagawin namin lahat para sa inyo ng mga kuya mo. We will do everything and anything para mapasaya lang kayo. Sana maging successful ka paglaki mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin, anak. Love you.
Happy birthday, Blake. Wish ko sa'yo magkaroon ka ng good health. And sana maging successful ka pag laki mo. And yun lang. Love you.
Mahal na mahal namin kayo.
Happy birthday, Seiji! We love you!
Happy birthday, Sage and Blake! From PTG Family!
Sa mga bisita na dumating, maraming salamat po sa oras na binigay nyo, sa paglaan nyo ng oras sa pagdalo sa birthday ng aming mga anak. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin yun. Maraming salamat po. Hope na nag-enjoy kayo.
Thank you po sa lahat na dumating. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Well, salamat. Thank you.